Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8, the ultimate tablet for families who love to share. With a stunning 10.5 inches LCD screen, this tablet brings out the best in every moment, whether you're streaming, video chatting, or learning. Powered by an upgraded chipset and offering up to 128 GB of storage, the Galaxy Tab A8 provides the power, speed, and storage your family needs. And with a long-lasting battery, you can go unplugged for hours and keep the family fun going. Experience the convenience of the Galaxy ecosystem with seamless connectivity between your devices. Your tablet, phone, and laptop computer all automatically sync, making it easier than ever to stay connected and productive. Plus, with Galaxy connectivity, you can access your notes, to-do lists, and schoolwork across all your devices. Designed for kids, the Galaxy Tab A8 offers access to Samsung Kids, a library of safe and fun games, books, and videos that are kid-friendly and parent-approved. And with Smart Switch, transferring your data and favorite files is a breeze, no matter what operating system you're using. The sleek new design of the Galaxy Tab A8 is not only stylish but also perfect for multitasking. You can stream a movie and browse social media at the same time with multiple windows and apps open on the same screen. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use internationally. Don't miss out on the affordable tablet that's perfect for the whole family. Get the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 and enjoy the awesomely entertaining tablet experience today.